Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Rocket League accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to link your Rocket Game accounts to an Epic Game account or any other accounts, simply go ahead and open up a web browser first. Into the URL box, type in www.rocketleague.com/activate. Press go and you'll end up in this official web page. Soon after you end up in this page, simply tap on the login button. Sign into your Epic Games account by tapping on Sign in with Epic Games option and enter your email address followed by the password in the text boxes. Tap on the login button. After you log into your account, now go ahead and select your account from the list and tap Next. Select the account you would like to use as your primary and tap on Preview. Now tap OK and select Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to link your Rocket League account to Epic Games. You can also select any other accounts you would like to log in with from the options at the bottom. That is how you can easily link Rocket League account with Epic Games. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.